This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about the lost and found. What will you do if you find something lost by others?
If I find something lost by someone, I would try to locate the owner first. If it's something valuable, like a wallet or phone, I would take it to a nearby lost and found office or inform a staff member.
Do you report to the police when finding something lost by others? Why?
I would report it to the police if the item is valuable, like a passport or a large sum of money, and I can't find the owner. This helps ensure the item is returned to the right person.
Have you ever lost things?
Yes, I've lost things a few times, usually small items like my keys or phone. One time, I misplaced my wallet, and it was a stressful experience until I found it in a jacket pocket a few days later.
Will you post on social media if you lose your item?
If I lost something important, I might post about it on social media, especially if it's something hard to replace. Sometimes, sharing the loss on social media can help spread the word and increase the chances of getting it back.
Do you think it is important to return lost items to their owners?
Yes, of course. It shows respect for others' belongings and helps maintain trust in a community. When people return lost items, it creates a sense of responsibility and fairness.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a special meal that someone made for you. You should say who made the meal, what the meal was, why it was special, how you felt about it.
One special meal that stands out was a homemade dinner my friend prepared for me on my birthday last year. It happened about a year ago when I was feeling a bit down, and my friend decided to surprise me with a special evening. She knew how much I enjoyed Italian food, so she spent the whole afternoon preparing a homemade 3-course meal, including my favorite dish, lasagna. The lasagna was absolutely delicious. It was made with layers of pasta, rich tomato sauce, and melted cheese, just the way I like it. The flavors were so rich and comforting, and the portion was generous, which made it even more enjoyable. To start, she made a fresh Caesar salad with crispy croutons, and for dessert, she baked a classic tiramisu, which is one of my all-time favorite sweets. The fact that she took the time to cook everything from scratch really made me appreciate the meal. It wasn't just the food itself, but the effort and care she put into making it that made the evening special. We sat down together and shared the meal, enjoying each other's company and having great conversations. Overall, it was a memorable evening because it reminded me how food can bring people closer. The meal wasn't just delicious, it was also prepared with care, which made it even more special. It wasn't only about the food, but also the love and friendship behind it. I felt truly grateful to have such a thoughtful friend who brightened my day.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of the cooking and eating. Why do you think food plays such an important role in bringing people together?
Food is often seen as a way to bond, especially during special events or celebrations. Sharing a meal allows people to connect and spend time together, creating a sense of community and warmth. Meals are also a way of expressing love and care, whether it's preparing someone's favorite dish or cooking for a group to enjoy.
Do you think people's eating habits have changed over time? How?
Yes, eating habits have certainly changed over time. With busy lifestyles, many people rely on fast food or ready made meals, while traditional home cooked meals have become less common. Additionally, there is a growing awareness of health, so more people are choosing healthier, plant based options. Technology also plays a role, with delivery apps making it easier to access a variety of food.
Why is it important to pass down cooking traditions to younger generations?
Passing down cooking traditions preserves cultural heritage and connects younger generations to their family's history. Cooking can also be a way to teach important life skills such as patience, creativity, and organization. By learning how to prepare traditional dishes, young people can also develop an appreciation for their cultural roots and the effort that goes into making food.
Do you think cooking for someone is a good way to show appreciation? Why or why not?
Cooking for someone is a great way to show appreciation. It's a personal gesture that shows you care, especially when you put effort into making a meal they enjoy. Sharing a meal brings people closer and creates a warm atmosphere, making it a meaningful way to express your feelings.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.